Hello everybody, welcome to my channel again. Thank you very much for sharing this enjoyable time with me. I really enjoy my time in my channel when I'm preparing my videos for you because I know you like them. In this channel we are not only painting something, we are sharing life as well. That's why I like YouTube, to be YouTuber. Thank you very much. This is just with you. How are we doing this? Maybe most of you know such things, how you are gonna cover, but just in case, maybe there are some watchers, some viewers, they don't know anything about such things. Maybe they are newcomers to this world. So I'm gonna explain briefly. Okay, this is tissue, ordinary kitchen tissue and glue. Yeah. So yeah, this side is important because it's going to be the visible part, you know, this front. So a little bit. Good. Better to leave over an evening, overnight, so the following day it will be perfectly dry. Something like this. If you want, you can give different designs, etc. I don't know. It all depends on your creativity. I'm doing this way. By the way, I prepared an eyeglass case. I think it's my second video. Yeah, if you are interested in such things, you can watch that video as well. I'm gonna give the link up somewhere here so you can check. It became really very nice. Everybody liked that video, and I'm using this eyeglass case. I'm gonna bring and show you when I clean my hands. I will show you that eyeglass case. You are gonna see. Just let me finish this one first. Okay, so far so good. It's not something very difficult. It's not a rocket science. Just some glue, something from kitchen. But try to use good quality glue. You are not going to suffer during the process. As you see, it sticks immediately. It remains in its place where you put. Glue is important. I don't mean expensive ones or something. Don't get me wrong. Any glue, but good quality. Taki. All these wrinkles are going to come as very nice texture. You will see in the following parts of the video. Yeah, and the last one. It finish. How long does it take? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, less. As I told you, it's not a rocket science. Everybody can do such things. As you see, it's about to finish. We are gonna leave it to dry. It takes some time. As you see, it became properly dry. Some parts are transparent, some are not, because they're on and on. They piled up. So we can paint and we can decorate it. I'm thinking to paint anthracite, dark anthracite. Yeah, it was, you know, as you remember, it was copper. I used this bag for ages. I like it, it's handy. It's okay, but it was in my wardrobe in a box as everyone else. It is so firm, it never ever tear up. It doesn't come off, so don't worry. Did you like the effect? It is a simple, ordinary kitchen towel, you know. We did together yesterday. It dry up till morning, and look at the texture. I really like such things. I was going to show you my eyeglass case. Yeah, I forgot. Now I remembered. Okay, I'm gonna bring it. Just a minute. Wait. If I remember, I'm gonna do it. Otherwise, I'm gonna forget again. Just wait, guys. Wait. I'm coming back. Yes, I'm back with my case. This is the case, eyeglass case. I'm using it. It's very proper eyeglass case. If you want to watch this video, you can find in my list, in my video list. It's the second video. So, but I can give you a link, of course, up somewhere here. Yeah, this is the back. The same system and the same technique. It's again the kitchen towel, some stencils on top, and some air dry clay objects I prepared myself. Look at this. It's fun actually. And such things. Yes. Okay, stay here. I'm using it with pleasure. It's really good. Okay, let's continue to our bag. I like such things. Easy to throw to garbage bin, to something. But if you are a creative person, just think about it. What can I do with this? Should I throw, or can I make it a little bit longer, its life? Can I use it? Or don't throw easily. Give someone else, but don't throw. Or do something like this. Try. If you don't like, you don't need to continue. But I'm thinking to make it evening clutch. When I'm going to a party or something like this. Did you like it? Why I'm asking, you can't answer me. But you can make a comment on the video so I can understand if you like or not. Give your ideas, please. Say, Neşe, we didn't like it, it is rubbish. Say, Neşe, we really like it. Something like this. I will appreciate all the ideas, all the comments, of course. You are very precious for me. Good eggs. You are very precious. Because I'm sharing my time with you. You are giving your time to me. We are enjoying ourselves together here. Let's leave it to dry. Maybe half an hour. I am back with dry clutch. It dried up properly, so we can play on it. We can decorate. Let's see. First I'm gonna use finger wax. These are really nice, easy to use. So let's start with gold sum. It's easy, but you have to be very careful, because if it is too much, instead of making it good, nice, just the opposite you can get. Because of the texture, that finger wax works properly. The texture is gorgeous. It is gorgeous, very nice, I like it. Some bronze. Some. Look at this. Perfect. Perfect. They're not going to stay black. Probably they will be bronze, because I'm gonna put something bronze and red here, so they are gonna be matching. These will be bronze, black. I'm not going to paint properly, just half, just some touches. Yeah, something like this. Hope you like it when you are watching there. If you like, I'm gonna be happy, because these videos are just for you. Okay, I will use this back this week, I promise you. Okay, and my old necklace. It was broken, I can't use it anymore. Instead of throwing, good recycling, old clutch, some beads and broken necklace. So far so good. I rescued many things. So this is fine. See? Wise bird. Wise bird. That's why I did bronze, because these parts are bronze, so they are matching. This is the result. What do you think? Nice one. Yeah, you can use properly. This is this. Hope you like it. It's not difficult, easy, so easy. Just use what you have at home. We didn't buy anything. As you see, everything is from home. So we have a new clutch. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like, you can subscribe my channel, so you are gonna make me so happy. We can stay connected, of course. Thank you very much for sharing all these enjoyment time with me, enjoyable time with me. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Stay colorful.